people billing in our stores using their credit card. And we also have a lot of loyalty cards with us like Payback and others. So we have a wealth of information and data, which if culled properly, gives a lot of consumer insight of what they are buying, when they are buying, what they are buying with what, which can actually be used very, very smartly to engage the customers, to stay them connected, and to give them absolutely the offers which they need. It also allows you to understand which customer type in which area is buying what, and probably offers suited to that customer in that region can be focused. I think so data really helps us a lot. Data is a buzzword right now, data analytics, the big data, wherever you go today, you hear people talking about it. I think one of the challenges is that while everybody uses data and everybody feels they're successful, there is so much data available and you're already using it to your benefit. But what are the other more ways to use that data? Because you're sitting on a lot of data. How do you use that data? Does every company even knows that the way they're using the data is the best way, or there are more ways? I think so discovering the use of using the data, I think, is the biggest challenge for marketers. Data is very, very important when it comes to connecting with the customer. Imagine if you understand your customer, what they're buying, when they're buying, at what frequency, who are in the family. And if you could understand that customer using data and target them perfectly as per their needs, I think the customer will stay connected to you. And for us, I think loyalty is all about letting the customer feel comfortable and staying connected with that the retailer takes care of you, gives you the right offer, the right assortment. I think data really helps in doing that.